Hey guys, so today's race day and it's a very muddy day today, but if it stays dry, I'm pretty sure it will dry up and it will get good traction and it will actually be good for riding. But right now it's super muddy, so I put on extra tear-offs on my goggles. I did a practice with about 5 laps on the track or 7 laps. It's rideable. You can look at the bike how muddy it is just after a few laps. Super muddy. So soon there's gonna be a rider briefing, and then I'm gonna get ready for my first race, which is gonna be an enduro race. Then I'll set up my suspension for that, and then we'll see if we can have some fun. And in this race I'm riding my Honda CR250 project. It's a 2001 with Racetech suspension and a new engine build. So it runs really good. But I may soon be getting an even better bike that is a little bit more modern. But let's talk about that in another video. Okay, so it looks like the schedule is a bit delayed, so that's actually good because then I can do one more practice session. So I'm going to do a couple of practice race starts, just get used to the track a bit more. Okay, so now we're setting up the suspension for enduro racing. Okay, ready for enduro race. And my second practice, by the way, went really good. I had a good race start where I tried to go for the inside line. Practicing with one of the fastest guys here, and I actually got in front of him on the second attempt. We did 2 starts together, so that was a good little lesson that the inside line is faster than the outside in this case. Feeling ready. Now we just need to cool down. I'll go and cool down in the air conditioning in the truck, and then I'm ready to go to the rider meeting after that. ในรุ่นหลังๆนะครับโดยเฉพาะนักแข่งที่ผ่านการอบรมนั่นมาของไทยแล้วก็ยิ่งต้องนั่นมีที่ขอให้นักแข่งที่อยู่บนเรือนะครับบนเรือพินิจเลยเดี๋ยวจะได้เห็นน้องเบียร์เขาเขียนดูว่าไอ้ดูไปทางไหนไซเคิลไปทางไหนโมโตไปทางไหนหลังจากจบการโชว์แล้วนักแข่งรุ่นที่1นำรถเข้าไปสตาร์ทเลยนะครับ So now we're walking over to see a test lap. Somebody's gonna show a test lap so everybody's sure where the track goes. Oh, the track is looking better and better. It's drying out a bit, getting tacky. That's gonna be fun. Okay, so now we're lining up for race number 1, which is an enduro race. So I hope I can get a good start. The track looks good in terms of traction. It's not really slippery anymore most places. So looking forward to it and wish me luck. Okay, so we're done with race number 1, which was an enduro race, and it went okay. I didn't get a good start because there was one guy who was like a little bit in front, and then he just started cutting to the right. So I think a lot of us on the right, we had to back off the gas. So then I worked my way up to 4th place. So I finished in 4th. That's pretty good. And right now I'm sitting in the truck, and I just cleaned my goggles, and then I'm rehydrating with some sport drink, which is like a mix of electrolyte drink and coconut juice. Let's get ready for the next race, which is in about, I think, 45 minutes or something, so I can just sit and cool down for a while. And then we'll head out for the team race, which is a 3-rider team event. That's gonna be fun. Last time I also got 4th place with my team. Actually, I got 2nd place in my individual race, which was pretty good. So let's see what we can do this time in the team race. Okay, so now I finished my laps, and then I had to quickly give my bike to my friend and then run to the next rider who had to do his 2 laps, give him a high five, and then just start the bike and then ready to go. So then he had to do his 2 laps, and then he would have to run to high five the next rider, the 3rd and last rider, and then he would finish his 2 laps, and then we would be done with our race.
รถเบอร์ 1โอเคครับโอเค
เงี้ยมาเห็นหน่อยก็ได้3ข้างหน้าย่อหน่อยข้างหน้าย่อหน่อยจะถ่ายรูปเป็นตัวแพ้
ข้างหน้าย่อลงหน่อยครับข้างหลังจะได้มีรูปด้วยครับข้างหน้าครับโอเค35-40นะครับขึ้นโพเดียมนะครับโอเคขอบคุณทุกท่านนะครับ40
Okay guys, so as you can see, a guy, he crashed right in front of me here on the landing, and I was still in the air right here. After I landed, I only had 3 meters to get around him, but luckily through my riding technique, I have the habit of steering the bike through my legs, so I could quickly force the bike to go around him with my legs. That was really close. So I'm really glad that my riding technique basically saved this guy from being run over. And if you want to learn how to control the bike with your legs, I can quickly tell you a drill on how to do that. You just do a drill where you, every time you get to a straight section, you squeeze the bike with your legs, and then you steer it only by leaning the bike left and right, only by using the force of your legs. Make sure there's no other riders behind you when you do this. So you go slalom by using the legs only. Don't try to control the bike with the handlebars. So that's how you do that. And you might be able to save another rider from being run over, just like I did in this race. You know, riding is supposed to be safe, and by having better riding skills, you can help other riders be safer at the track as well. And by the way, here look, turn 2, I tried to pass this guy on the inside, and I get in front of him for a short little while, but then he passes me again because the outside is faster because of the increased momentum. So now we're just watching the race. It's an 85cc flat track class. And then I'm having some pasta. And then I just went over to say congratulations to one of my training buddies because he just won his first race.
Happy?
But anyways, today was a really exciting day. A little bit wild in the motocross race that I did. It was just too hectic. Like, there was too many people crashing on the track, even from the race start. A guy, he just crashed right in front of me after 1 second. So I had to stop and then go around him, and then I was pretty much last. Not as planned, but good that we are okay, everybody, and I didn't get hurt or get involved too much in the crashes. There was also another guy who tipped over in a turn, and I ran over his rear wheel, and he was picking up the bike, but when I ran over it, he dropped it again, but I did what I could not to hit him. So pretty wild day. Thank you for tuning in. Give it a like and subscribe if you are interested in watching more races in Thailand, and in any case, thank you for watching. Oh, and today I just uploaded my 4D body position program to UDEMY. So now if you want to understand the physics of riding technique, you can just pay a one-time fee on UDEMY and then learn the whole thing in there. Explaining things from a physics standpoint because I have a background in science and thereby studying physics. So I'm able to explain actual riding technique and the mechanics of riding, also bike setup, in a way that you don't see on many other channels. Also, I share my own step-by-step methods on how I track my own progress and riding technique development. So if you're interested in that, consider becoming a member and clicking the join button. And if you like tropical island holidays, visit fitcamp5.com for my 2-time TripAdvisor award-winning training camp, where we train fitness and action sports together while learning to live a healthy lifestyle and, maybe most importantly, have fun at the same time. And if you're really serious about improving yourself, you should definitely check out my full online courses, where I share step-by-step programs on how I developed my own routines over the last 12 years as a CEO working in 4 different countries, while being a successful competitive athlete with more than 20 years of experience in fitness and nutrition. Check the link in the description for that. And in any case, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, be awesome, believe in yourself, and see you on the next one.